Okay, turn this on. Just can you say something?
Yeah, good morning everyone. We use the ABA approach, that is applied behavior analysis, and also we use some assessments such as PEAK, where we make sure that it is like in line with the ABA, and then it's evidence based, which we use the VR session. The objectives such as number of skills, to develop number of skills to improve the quality life of the student, such as like communication, social interaction, and daily living skills. So these are the objectives we are focusing on to develop the number of skills of the students. For example, let's say we have some content based on like daily living skill. For example, supermarket skill, where the child will go to the supermarket, pick the highlighted item and put it in the basket and proceed to the cashier. So this is a very basic skill to teach the child. So where AdventVR provided content for us, which is amazing, and it has an amazing impact on the child, and we are generalizing also, and we are taking the kid to the supermarket and they are doing it amazing. Content on road safety skill, so where the child will navigate virtually the road, where they'll press the button and wait for the signal to turn green, and then they start walking or initiate walking. So this is another example for safety skill, to develop to teach them the safety skill. And another example is that to develop the daily living skill, for example, arranging the bottles in the bathroom. So where the child will take the gel bottle and then put it on the shelf. So these are the few examples for how the AdventVR is helping us to achieve the objectives. Let me focus on the center, how it's coming out. The AdventVR, since we started using AdventVR, the child is more motivated, and they are performing very well with the other session and across all the settings, of course. And as far as the parents is concerned, we have got positive feedback from the parents, where they mention how since we started the VR sessions, how they are seeing the positive outcome from the student. For example, like road safety skill, where the child will go to the like when they are out to navigate on the road, like to stop, like to cross the street, the child will say like stop, red, it's a red, stop, then the green, let's go. So that's how it's impact. We have one session per week. It's of 30 minutes, and it's like it's a group setup, where each child will wait for their turn, and then they come and then perform the activity. It depends on the child to child, where there are hours with putting the headset on. So they may have the sensory issues. What we do, like we start with the desensitization program, where we give them the headset to hold the headset, and then once they are comfortable wearing the headset, we go to the the actual activities. Like that particular day, if the child is having a bad day, so if like it feels like anxiety and all, like they don't want to wear the headset, so what I do, like I just try to make them not to wear the headset but hold the headset, look through the through the lenses. Most of the kids, they accepted VR quickly, because as it provides immersive experience. And to begin with, I have started with giving them the fun videos which make them engage in the VR session, and then gradually we will start with the activity. We have the daily schedule in our classroom. So once they see the VR is scheduled that particular day, they are more motivated to get into the VR session. So once you enter the classroom to pick up the kid, when I enter the classroom, they are already ready with the schedule. They say it's VR, let's go. So that's how they are motivated with the VR session. It's a lot of benefit, like must say that it's a motivation for the kid to perform any activity in the classroom or as well as in the other settings, and also The AdventVR provides the customizable, like, you know, there is a control environment as well as the customize. We can customize the content. For example, road safety skill. So where kid may feel overwhelming, there is a sound. So we can turn it off, and we can control the number of people around the child, where it makes child to feel safe, and then perform the activity. So this is an advantage of the AdventVR. Yeah, we have number of content planned for our kids. For example, like Dubai Metro or and the Hajj and Umrah content, so which make them more engaged, learn more about how to, you know, navigate through the different environment when they encounter. Yep, there is a lot of positive feedback from the parents. I want to mention one parent where we had coffee morning, where the parent told how the VR helped them and the child uh, uh, to know about the safety skill, like for example, road safety skill. So once they are in the car, the child said, "Mama," when they approach the traffic light, the child says, "Mama, it's a red, stop." So green, go. That is an impact we had the VR session.